Hello and welcome to this TIBCO Cloud Integration how-to video. This video shows how to integrate with SugarCRM. We need to start by creating a SugarCRM connection. To do this, we will need to add the new connection on the Connections page. Select Add, then select the Sugar connector. We can give our connection a name and a description. And you need to enter the URL of your Sugar system. Now we need OAuth key information from your SugarCRM account. So I'm going to log into my trial system as the administrator. In the top right-hand corner, click on the profile icon and select Administration. Before we start creating the keys, be aware that your Sugar system may be restricted so that you have to make API calls from a validated list of IP addresses. If this is the case, you may need to turn off this feature to complete this tutorial. Now go into OAuth keys, and we will create a new key from the menu. Give the key a name, a value for the key, and a value for the secret, and set the OAuth version to 2. Once this is saved, we can go back to our TCI connection definition and fill in the same values in the definition. Enter the keys and a valid user ID and password, and click Save Connection, which will also validate the entered settings. Now let's go to the Apps menu and create an application to test the connectivity. Give it a name. Select Web Integrator app. Create a flow. For this how-to, we're going to create a timer which will pick up recently changed data. We give it a name, a description, and select timer. Let's edit the flow. On the timer, we're going to set it to repeat every minute. We will now add a Sugar query activity and select the connection we just added. We're going to look for new leads, so we select the Leads module. On the Input tab, we can specify how we're going to access the data. We could specify an ID to retrieve a specific lead, or we can specify a selection filter. We can also specify other data like maximum number of rows to be returned by the query. For this video, we're going to use a filter. For information about the format of filters, refer to the SugarCRM documentation. These are JSON documents that provide the parameters that Sugar needs to be able to access the data. In our example, we are going to retrieve all leads that have been updated since a specific date. After the query is run, we will dump the records to the log to see what data has been returned. Let's push the app to test it. If we now go into the log, we can see it started and has been triggered by the timer event. If we open up the log record, we can see all of the data returned. And if we look carefully, we can find the modified date and see that it's after our example date. This video is just an overview of TCI functionality. Other videos will go into more detail about specific pieces of functionality. These are available on our YouTube channel. If the videos don't answer all your questions, join our bi-weekly live demos. These will delve deeper into TCI functions and features and allow you to ask questions. Other ways you can find out more information on TCI is by visiting the TCI area on the community site. The community gives you the opportunity to share insights with other TCI users, get ideas and updates on TCI features. From the community, you can find a link to our GitHub site. Our GitHub site has a number of projects and samples to help you get the most from your TCI subscription. Lastly, if you have ideas or suggestions for TCI, you can submit them at ideas.tibco.com. TIBCO Cloud Integration empowers users to quickly and easily connect applications and APIs from their browser. To see how TCI can help you, sign up for a free 30-day trial at cloud.tibco.com.